a staple of every blitz that I have is going to be the swing. It's always going to be involved. So that gives you enough time, if you can, find a piece of equipment, anything you can, in the coming weeks. If you keep coming back here, get something that you can swing. So for today, I'm going to show you how to do it with a dumbbell. Most people have a dumbbell. Maybe you have only a plate, meaning like a weightlifting plate. It can be whatever objects you have, so long as you can swing them. First thing I'm going to show you, I'll show you with the dumbbell. Okay, so I'm going to have my feet just beyond shoulder width apart. I'm going to back away from it by about 2 steps. Okay, and I'm going to widen my feet, squat down, and you're going to get into what's called the gorilla position. You're going to grab the weight, hike it back, and straighten the legs. Okay, I'm going to show you what that looks like from the side. Okay, so I'm going to start off again. Here's the gorilla position, picking up the weight. Okay, I'm packing my abs nice and strong here, pulling it back to my bum, and straightening the legs. And as I'm swinging this, I'm only bending my legs just a little bit. I'm not coming down into a full squat to do this. Just a little knee bend, and all of it's coming out of the hips. That's where all the power is coming from. Your hips and your glutes. Okay, so that's with a dumbbell. And not for me, I'm going to be using a kettlebell, and it looks like this. Okay, again, the same 2-step rule, 2 steps back. I go about 2.5, depending on the length of your legs. Maybe I'll back up a little bit so you can see. Okay, so 1, 2 and a bit. There you go, gorilla position. You can see I'm in a straight line all the way from the bottom of the kettlebell up to my shoulders. My butt is below my shoulders. I'm gonna hike it back to here, straighten the legs. Down safely, every time. Okay, so that's the first move, that's the swing. Hey, some more people, what's up guys? Okay, so after that, we're going to be doing what's called a boxer squat. It looks like this. Okay, in boxing, one of the tricks they use in order to get better head movement and better movement of your hips while moving forward is they'll put a rope dividing the room, and they'll go underneath it like this. You've probably seen people do those exercises before. Well, we're doing that with a kettlebell, and we're just going to get a little bit lower. Seeing as our purposes are a bit different. We're going to have the kettlebell into this position. This is called the goblet position. So it's going to be up like this. I'll back up because you can't see. So we're going to go underneath an imaginary line, and I'm going to go like this. To the side, shifting your weight from side to side, breathing into the belly, and flexing the entire time. Okay, that's the boxer squat. That'll be move 2. Third move, third. Okay, third move is going to be the 2-hand clean. What that means is, if you know what a deadlift is, it's going to be like a deadlift, but we're going to get that kettlebell up to that goblet position, okay, which is here. You're going to start on the ground with the kettlebell or weight between your legs, between your feet. So I'll do this with a dumbbell so you can see. Maybe you have just a milk jug, a water bottle, it doesn't matter. Okay, I have it between my feet, right between. I'm going to pick it up from the sides and get it to here. All you're doing is shifting the grip. When you pick this up, what I want you to do is you're going to come down into almost like a squat at the bottom. Again, that gorilla position. That's only the first lift. When you start repeating this, you're only going to come down to where your wrists are getting just past your kneecaps. So it'll look like this. This is all hips. Okay? You have a kettlebell, use a kettlebell. What we're going to do is same thing, transfer of the hands. Hands are going to be on the top, hands on the side when we're in this position. That's all that exercise is. If you want to make this harder, say this is too easy for you. Top, sides, and press overhead. Back down. What's important here is the breath. So I'll show you. I'm here, breathing out when I'm into the goblet position, breathing in again, and press. That's what I'm going to do. So you can follow along with me, but you only have to go to the chest. All right, so get yourself a quick drink of water. We're gonna get started. Now remember, these are 25-second rounds. I believe there's 5 of them. Yes, there's 5 rounds, 3 exercises, no breaks. So we're gonna be out of here before you know it. Okay, let's see. Oh, one. Who are you? All right. Okay. One fucking person. That's hurting. Okay, so in 10 seconds, we're starting off with the swing. Okay, swinging in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Remember, just little movements out of the knees. This is all your hips. That's it for that exercise. Now it's going to be boxer squats. Remember that imaginary line that I want you to come under. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Try to bring your elbows to your knees. Remember, you're just transferring your weight from the side to side. Two, 1. All right. Now it's time for the 2-hand press, or 2-hand clean and press. For me anyways. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Kettlebell between your feet and up to the chest. Good. Coming back into the swing. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hike it back. Let's go. Remember to pack the abs. Keep everything nice and tight in the abdominals. Let the hips do the work. 3 seconds. 2, 1. Okay, boxer squat. 5 seconds. 2, 1. Try to get your elbows to your knees. Keep those abs tight. 3 more seconds. 2, 1. Okay. 2-hand clean with a press if you like. Kettlebell or weight between the legs. Get down nice and low, pick it up. Transfer your hands. All right, back into the swing again. Remember that 2-foot rule? 1, 2, and a bit for me. Let's go. That's it for that one. Boxer squat is next. Remember, going underneath that imaginary line, back and forth, transferring the weight. Kettlebell in the goblet position. Let's go. Nicely done. Two-hand clean with a press if you'd like. Kettlebell or weight between the feet. Get it up to the chest. Remember, we're only coming back down so far as your wrist getting to your kneecap. All right, 10 seconds, we're coming back into the swing. Three, two, one, let's go. Okay, boxer squat is next. From the goblet position. Nice and wide feet. Get underneath that line. Remember, you're trying to straighten the legs at the top. Okay, two-hand clean and press. Kettlebell between the feet, lifting straight up to the chest and then overhead. Focus on the breath. Keeping the abs tight. Two, one. Nice. Back to the swings. All right. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 3 seconds. Okay, boxer squat. Last time. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Just transferring the weight. Nice. Two-hand clean and press. Or clean press if you'd like. Kettlebell between the feet. Make sure you breathe. And you can do it all in one motion. Three, 2, 1. That's it. Good job. Now let's get some water in there. Okay. What's up, guys? Boom. See if I missed anybody. Nope. All right, so who's here? Okay. Andrea's sister. How's it going? Thank you for coming.
Activity completed.
That was fun. If you liked it, shoot me a message. Tell me you liked it. If you hated it, tell me why. Shoot me a message. If you want a workout tailored to you and your needs, like one of these that I do, ask me. Anyone is more than welcome to ask me, and I can tailor workouts to you. And that makes it fun because sometimes it's things I don't know how to do. And then it's just more fun because then I get to enjoy it with you. So, thank you so much for coming. And I will see you next time on Monday. I'll do another little story and with a reminder for Monday, and we can do this again. Well, not this particular workout. We'll do some more HIIT. So I'll see you then. Thanks again. Love you.